Here's an unboxing of this Philips eye massager right here. Comes sealed up in plastic. I'll open it up and show it to you and give you a close-up look at the eye massager and then also everything else that comes in the kit. Looks like you get a little instruction manual right there. And interesting packaging. Instead of foam, it's this kind of cardboard type paper. Let's see, is there anything else in there? Charging cable. And here's a look at the eye massager. Sealed up in a plastic bag. And let's get this one open. See, here's this eye mask right here. Stretchy back, stretchy strap, and then here's the eye massager folded up. Got your controls on the sides here, on the top, and then that's a look at it when it's open. Stretchy strap on the back, some cushion right here. Philips eye massager.